Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the PrizePicks withdrawal process, helping you understand why it sometimes fails and how to resolve it. Let's discuss some common reasons why your withdrawals might not be working. These can include issues with account status, incorrect payment method settings, or insufficient balance. First, ensure your account is in good standing. Log into your PrizePicks account and check for any notifications regarding your status. Next, verify your payment method settings. Ensure you've selected the correct method for withdrawals, whether it's a bank transfer or another service. Before attempting a withdrawal, make sure you have enough available balance. The amount must meet the minimum withdrawal requirements. Now, let's talk about compliance. Ensure your personal information is up to date to prevent any withdrawal issues related to verification. If you still face issues, don't hesitate to contact PrizePicks customer support. They can provide guidance specific to your situation. Utilize the FAQs and resources available in the PrizePicks Help Center. Many common questions can be solved right there. Familiarize yourself with PrizePicks withdrawal policies and expected timeframes, as these can greatly affect your experience. In closing, we hope this guide helps you navigate the PrizePicks withdrawal process. Remember these tips for smoother withdrawals in the future.